This is Kirk at Strutmasters.com. Today we're working on a 2022 Suburban. These are the tools you're going to need. You'll need a set of wrenches, a socket set, you'll need a Torx bit, some type of 3/8 drive ratchet, some 1/2-inch sockets, a flathead screwdriver, and a 1/2-inch impact gun. First, you raise the tire off the ground, and then you remove the tire. Next, you want to remove these two Torx screws from the fender liner. Next, remove the connector off of the strut. Bring it forward. Then release the connector. There's a red lock-in pin that you want to pull backwards, and then push the black tab in, release the connector. Next, you want to remove the air line with an open-end wrench. Slowly loosen the air line and allow air to escape before you take it completely out. Next, you can remove the 3 top strut nuts. Next, remove the 2 brake line brackets attached to the lower control arm. Then remove the lower strut bolt. There's a nut on the other side of this bolt. You hold it with an open end wrench. There's the nut. Wiggle the bolts out. Lastly, you can remove the bolt connecting the lower control arm to the knuckle. Now you can pull the lower control arm down and pull the strut out. Now take your new strut and insert it in the vehicle. Now take the strut and insert the top studs into the chassis mount. And place 1 nut on the front stud, just to hold it there. Next, you want to insert your bottom strut bolt. And go ahead and tighten this one down. Next, insert the bolt into the control arm to the knuckle. You might have to adjust the knuckle or the control arm to get them to line up. Don't forget to put your brake line brackets back in place. Place the other 2 top nuts on top of the strut. and tighten all three down. Replace the torque screws from the fender liner. Reinstall your tires. Reinstall the lugs. Tighten them down.